The sawblade, also known as the alternate nail gun, is a gun that shoots saws. You can have at most 10 saws in your inventory, however that amount regenerates over time. The attractor saw blades can throw magnets which will attract your metallic projectiles and enemies embedded with nails. These magnets will burst over time, releasing everything that was attracted to them. Alternatively, these magnets will also burst if they are attracting too many things. The overheat saw blade, when you shoot saws, it overheats, which lets you shoot an overheated saw, which deals more damage and pierces through more enemies. You can also parry the saw blade to redirect it. The jumpstart nail gun is a gun that shoots nails, but you can also grab enemies with a cable to electrify them. When you do, your gun has higher fire rate and electrocutes enemies until they explode. If they were embedded with nails, they will do an explosion which will also damage nearby enemies. As mentioned, the saws can pierce through enemies, but the overheated saw can pierce through even more enemies than the regular ones. There are three types of ray cannons: the malicious one, that deals a large explosion, the electric ray cannon, which shoots in a straight line, and the screwdriver rail cannon, which shoots a screw that you can punch into enemies and drain them of their health. You can also shoot cores with your malicious ray cannon to create a large explosion, also called a nuke.